experiences may vary, it's how some people describe shingles. This painful blistering rash can interrupt your life for weeks.
Hey, so this is Heath, and I'm here at the Walgreens in Vancouver, Washington, 164th. I've been getting my prescriptions filled here for a couple years now, no issues. All of a sudden, I just got told that because I'm on some Molina plan, that they can't fill my prescription, and they said that I should probably go to another store or whatnot. And I've been really nice all day. It's the third time I've come back here. The third time they said come back in a half hour, it'll be filled, and then all of a sudden somebody comes up to me and says, we can't fill it at the very end here. So Walgreens, get your stuff figured out, man. I've been going to all your other stores, getting prescriptions filled. Everybody else does it too, but it's kind of a joke if you're going to be playing games like this. Just because somebody else has a contract with you or something, I have no idea. I don't even have Molina. I have no insurance. I'm self-employed. So one of y'all made a mistake and something happened, but it's kind of ridiculous. Get your act cleaned up. It's not cool. Just thought everybody in Vancouver should know this. That don't count on Walgreens filling your prescriptions anytime soon. Matter of fact, you might get a runaround, and other people get more angry than I do. So just make sure that if you are dealing with Walgreens, you're as patient as I always am. But if you're not, don't go to Walgreens. Cheers. I'm at Walgreens. I want a few answers. See if we can get transferred to another place, or what's going to happen with prescriptions from here on out. It's kind of bizarre. But I decided to park and come on in. So let's ask a question. Alright, so here's the scoop, or the 411, on what's going on in there. I didn't want to throw a camera in their face and stuff. I'm not an investigative reporter. So I just wanted to ask some questions and figure things out. Basically, I guess somehow somebody somewhere put my name with Molina, and they're not contracted with Molina. Therefore, when they do their insurance check and it comes up Molina, they can't fill my prescription at all. And then I said, well, I never asked you to go through insurance. I don't use my insurance. I never have with Walgreens because I don't have insurance. I'm self-employed. And why would you run that? And they're like, well, we automatically have to do that. That's what we do. So you know how these things go. So just a lot of red tape here at Walgreens, and I was not going to be a jerk to the associates. I did my best to ask polite questions and understand. I think I even got a slight smile at the end. So it all went well. I'm a little frustrated. Well, I'm a lot frustrated. But now I understand. I can't fill prescriptions at Walgreens anymore unless I get on the phone and have a 3-hour chat, probably on hold, all this kind of stuff, with some insurance company I don't even have. Or I can call my doctor and wait a couple days to get a prescription and hopefully not die. Luckily, this time it's not something that could hurt or I could die from, so I think I'll wait the 2 days and not deal with an insurance company, because doctors, insurance, we all know it can take a long time to get a hold of those people. So it's just nice to be able to get a prescription sent to a place, get it filled, and when you're out of pocket, you're out of pocket. Don't be checking our insurance, because we don't have insurance. If I tell you I don't have insurance, that means don't check it. I don't have it, or I don't want you using it. In this case, I don't have it, so. And I'm just not going to deal with it. I don't have 3 hours to spend on the phone with Molina. Trust me. All right, so that's the 411 on Walgreens here in Vancouver. And hopefully this saves you a little time in the future and you can understand. Cheers.